Hello and welcome to the STEMist. Today we're going to be talking about power rule, another key concept in trying to find the derivative. So here we have the formula, which is x with the exponent n. So you're going to take the n and multiply it by the coefficient of the function x. You're going to take that and put it there. Then you're going to reduce the exponent by 1. So remember, you're multiplying it by the coefficient of the function, and then you're reducing it by 1. So you're multiplying it by the coefficient, reducing it by 1. Alright. So I have some examples for you. Remember the coefficient function. The coefficient of the function. Not just the coefficient, but the coefficient of the function. So I have some examples for here. We have f of x equals 5x cubed. So I'm going to take 3, multiply it by my coefficient function of 5. 3 minus 1. I get 15x squared. So I brought down my 3, multiplied by 5, and reduced 3 by 1, which is 2. So here we have 5 over 2x cubed. So I'm going to start by taking out my constant, which is 5 over 2. And then I'm left with 1 over x cubed. Whoops. So now I'm going to rewrite that even further. So I have 5 over 2 is x to the negative 3. Those two are equivalent, 1 over x3 and x to the negative cubed. So now I'm going to do the power rule of x to the negative 3. I do not need to differentiate 5 over 2 because it's constant. So I bring down negative 3. X has a coefficient of 1. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So then I'm going to rewrite it even further. I'm going to rewrite it even further to help me simplify. 5 over 2, negative 3 over x4. So my derivative would be negative 15 over 2x to the 4th power. And that would be my derivative. So I'm going to write down another problem and we'll be done. So f of x equals x cubed minus 4x plus 5. So what I like to do with these questions, I like to look at it piece by piece or term by term. And it's important to know that if I'm looking at 4x, I have to remember that negative. Alright, so we'll look at piece by piece. So x cubed is 3, I bring down 3, x has a coefficient of 1, 3x squared. And then I have negative 4x, remember that negative applies to negative 4x. So I have negative 4, x's exponent is 1 minus 1. I reduce that by negative 4, x to the 0th power, which is really anything to the 0th power is 1. So negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Then we have 5, and then the constant, the derivative of a constant is always 0. So now I'm left with 3x squared minus 4. So then I just put those pieces together, and then I would have my derivative. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you found it useful, please share with your friends.